Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just doing a quick product review video. This product is not necessarily something that you need to build models, but as a lot of modelers do, we love to build our models and then take pictures of them. And this is a tabletop light box for taking pictures of your models. It's made by eMart, and my daughter got me this for my birthday. Thank you, Annie. And I have been using it quite a bit. If you've watched some of my recent videos, you can see some of my snapshots are actually done in the light box. So I'm going to do a quick review of this and let you know what I think about it. The model number is it's an EM-FLST-L, and it's a 14 by 16 photograph studio shooting tent, I guess is what we'll call that. It's made by a company called eMart. I believe she got this off Amazon, so you can probably use that information to look up and get one of your own. It comes with the tent, comes with a little tripod, does not come with a phone or a camera. It also comes with 4 different colored backgrounds, and these are awesome, and I'll show you how those work. It is illuminated, so it's got a couple of USB connectors here that go to a little control module. So you plug it into a USB port, and you can control the light shades. It has a cool, and then a warm, and then kind of a, I'm not sure what the third one you would call, not as warm. And it has different settings for the amount of light, so high, medium, low. So we're going to set this up and we'll do a little bit of a test run with it, and we'll let you know what I think. So stand by. Okay, so here we have the light box or light tent, photo tent, whatever you want to refer to it as, set up on the bench here. You can see it's a pretty good sized unit. Has a couple of strips of LEDs on the top, and then this is the gray colored background, and you slide it in here and you hook it right up there. There are 4 different colors. There's a white, a black, this gray, and kind of a light blue. The LEDs are connected through little connectors that come out the side here, and they go down to a little control module. Now the control module has a power on and off, a light temperature setting, and a brightness adjust up and down. So let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, and as you can see, the lights are on now. Looks pretty good. So the next thing I'll do is I can adjust the brightness. So we'll go down to almost nothing, and then up to as bright as we can go. Okay, looks good. And then we have the temperature. So this that I have it on right now is kind of the cool temperature. And we'll change it. I'm not sure what this one's called, but it looks like more of a natural light. And then we have, which is kind of a warm glow. So far, I've only been able to really use the cool white. For what I take pictures of, it seems to work best for me. Also, it has this little lid that you can take off, and then it's got a little hole so you can get the camera right, so you can photograph stuff within there. Haven't tried that yet. I'm sure it'll work great. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. It just plugs into a USB. You can either use your computer USB, or I have a little like phone charger USB that I'm using right now, and it works great. So let me get a couple of models and we'll set them up in here and we'll take some test shots. Okay, so here we have 3 of my builds in the box. So you can kind of get a sense, you can kind of get a sense of how it looks and the size. This is a Keaton Batman from the back in the 90s, I think I built that. And then my B9 robot from Polar Lights and my Mach 5 from Polar Lights. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a couple pictures and in the different temperatures, and we'll see which ones come out the best, or how they look. So stand by. All right, that was fun. As you can see from the pictures, the light source makes a big difference. I threw in a picture of the individual kits with no lights, and then I went through each stage, the cool, the warm, and the natural, and not always in the same order. So let me know down in the comments which temperature of light you think makes the kits look the best. My personal preference is the cool white. I really feel like that makes the kit pop when you're taking the picture of it, but that's just my preference. Everyone has their own preference. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of the light box overall. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Have you thought about getting one? Do you have one? What kind do you have? I would be really interested to know. In closing, I just would like to say that this light box, I like it. Could it be improved? Probably, but for what I use it for and for my needs, it works great. So again, I want to thank my daughter Annie for getting me this for my birthday, and that'll do it for my quick product review of the Tabletop light box. So thanks for stopping by and watching the video. Everyone, be safe out there and go build something.